What's up, everyone? I'm TJ Kennedy, and I'm here to walk through my very first automated workflow on Make.com. The purpose of this automated workflow is to select a topic from a list of topics that I've created, prompt ChatGPT, write a tweet about the topic, and post that tweet to Twitter for us. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so we have our 3 steps in the process right here. I'm going to walk through them really quickly, follow along, and pause the video if you need to. So you're going to create an array for your topics. And to do that, you would just simply create the tools and add a array in here. So you have add array, open parentheses, empty array, semicolon, followed by each of your individual topics. So each of your individual topics are going to be separated by a semicolon. And from there, you'll go to the bottom. You'll see that there's a closed bracket. So make sure you have that closed parentheses or this won't work. From here, you'll go to your second node, which is an OpenAI ChatGPT node. First, you'll need to connect your OpenAI API by going to OpenAI's developer site, signing up, getting your OpenAI API key, and inputting the information to connect that to your OpenAI account to Make.com. So I've already done that. And then from there, we're going to choose our model and create our prompt. So I'm doing 2 prompts. The first one is going to basically essentially create a persona. So, I've typed in this one here. You are a professional Twitter video game content creator named TJ Kennedy, and this is your Twitter profile. You love playing video games like first person shooters, sports games, or adventure games. That's the first prompt to kind of set the stage for the persona that we're going to be creating the tweets from. From there, we're going to have our prompt that actually crafts our tweet. So this prompt to craft a tweet that includes content related to this topic. And then here's where you put in your topic selector. Use first, open brackets, shuffle, which is going to shuffle what it picks from the array. Then we're going to input our array, which is our topic picker array, and then close both of our brackets there. And then from there, we're just going to add our constraints for the tweet just to make sure that our tweet doesn't ever, go over the rate limit for Twitter, and we'll make sure that it actually looks like a tweet. So just write out the tweet, don't exceed the character limits, no quotations, don't use emojis or hashtags. And then finally, you just need to make sure that your maximum completion tokens is about 1,000. This defaults to 204080 or 2048 instead, and that actually was giving me some problems, and Twitter was the final node here was actually giving me an error. And when we go into the final node, you can see you're going to have a similar API authorization or authentication that you need to do. So go through these documentation. There's one for the OpenAI that's a little bit more picture friendly and helps out since they've redesigned Twitter's developer profile or portal rather. Uh, the photos aren't really going to be here anymore. They used to be a lot more accurate, but since they've continually updated the developer portal, it's a lot more user friendly, so you shouldn't have any problems with Twitter's developer portal. Anywho, you add your OpenAI API authentication or OAuth here. Once you've done that, it's really simple. You just have your text content for your tweet because we're going to be posting a tweet, and you have your choices and content message. So add those 2, and that's all you need to do. And once we have those done, we can run this, on a timer. You could save this and export it, different things like that. But let's just run it once just to show you guys it works. So go to my Twitter first and refresh this just to make sure we're up to date. I don't have any followers, but you can see we've tested this a couple times, most recently 41 minutes ago. Go ahead and run this real time here. Boom, going through, check, green check, green check. When I was having an error, we would see a red box here, and you could click here and see a little bit more about the error, even though the error in that specific case was just a 403 error. So there's our most recent tweet, was 42 minutes ago. Let's refresh the page. A brand new tweet, and we just updated the prompt to not include hashtags anymore. So good to see that this is actually holding accurate to our prompts. But let's read the tweet. Boost your gaming experience by maximizing FPS, update drivers, tweak in-game settings, lower resolution, and choose background and close. misread that. Close background apps for PC. For consoles, enable performance mode and manage storage efficiently. How do you optimize your setup? There you have it, folks. We've created a process on make.com that's able to take a topic from a list of topics, prompt ChatGPT about that topic, and write a tweet about that, and then post it to Twitter for us. Thanks for watching.